Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing fine and working towards your dreams. So here is tomorrow's to-do list. First, from 7 to 8 a.m. I will cover current affairs from AffairsCloud. Okay, if you want to purchase their current affair course, I will give you link in description and you will get 10% discount by using my code. Then from 8:15 to 9:15 a.m. I will do English class. This class is on Plus by Nimisha ma'am. Then from 9:30 to 3:30 p.m. I will practice prelims level questions from Guidely Bundle PDF course. You can also go for this course as it is in both languages like Hindi and English, and video solution are also there. So it is pretty easy. If you have a doubt, then you can easily solve it. I will give you link in description for this PDF course also. Then I will do 3 puzzle videos and then I will do mains DI class. I am covering mains DI from Ashish sir classes. You can go for Amar sir classes if you don't have any paid subscription. Then I will read editorial and plus I will note down some vocab from it. Then I will do previous month current affairs if possible from AffairsCloud PDFs. Then I will do banking awareness from Kapil Karpal sir. Then in evening I will practice arithmetic questions, and then in night from 9 to 10 p.m. I will do mains reasoning class. So that's all for tomorrow. And if you are not feeling well, then there is no need to pressurize your mind. Just take rest and just focus on the studies when you are 100% well. So thank you. That's all for tomorrow. All the best.